Although I expect some of you are already familiar with S/4HANA, I'll give a quick overview to get everybody up to speed. Historically, SAP was well known for its flexibility, but also its complexity and its complicated table structure. It was difficult to update everything at once, and a lot of reconciliation between different modules was required. Many organizations transferred data to a separate system for reporting, which was time-consuming and meant you could not get an accurate real-time picture. A few years ago, thanks to major advances in technology, SAP was able, among other enhancements, to design the powerful in-memory HANA database. This made it possible to improve processing and have a single system encompassing both transactional and analytical processing. The table structures were changed, removing many of the now unnecessary indexes and totals tables and creating smaller, more comprehensive tables. A lot more information from the other modules can now be included in the financial reporting. SAP was able to rewrite a lot of the business suite to take advantage of the simplified structure and new tables, as well as the new power and functionality, and they named the result SAP S/4HANA. There are two main editions of S/4HANA. The first is named SAP S/4HANA Cloud, and the other is officially known as SAP S/4HANA. The main difference is that the S/4HANA Cloud is a subscription-based, very standardized public cloud or multi-tenant offering. This is where you're sharing the system, but not the data, with other organizations on a very harmonized best practices cloud using only the new Fiori interface. S/4HANA Cloud upgrades are released every quarter and have a 4-digit number made up of the year and the month of their release. So, for example, 1911 was released in November 2019. The other edition, SAP S/4HANA, is sometimes called on-premise, even if it's not physically on your premises, to highlight the fact that you have full control over where you want to host it and how you want to run it. You can also choose whether to keep the classic GUI menu or use the new Fiori interface. Instead of a classic menu and transactions, Fiori has a launchpad and apps rather like a smartphone. S/4HANA releases also have a 4-digit number made up of the year and the month of their release. So 1809 was released in September 2018. This course is mainly based on the on-premise S/4HANA 1809 version, but much of the course will apply to other versions.